Hey guys, Evan with Evan's Landscape here. What we got going on this time is we are building a patio with a fire pit integrated into the middle, and we're going to use these limestone boulders, these rocks around the outside for a sitting wall. So it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to get the equipment in there and start the excavation. Let's go. Excavation done. We got all the compaction done. We put our geotextile down, and then we installed our base material, our rock, in 2 lifts. We compacted both to get a nice strong bedding layer. So now what we got going on here, we're gonna set these little guys around over. We're going to set them along there, kind of for a sitting wall, and then a fire pit is gonna go in here and patio around here. So I'm going to jump in the excavator and start setting these things. As you can see, we got the main part of the patio laid now, so now what we do is go around the outside as well as around the fire pit, and we piece in each paver individually. We cut them in, and then we put in our soldier cores. So I just got done installing these Chilton Flagstone steppers leading out to the patio. So what I'm gonna do is walk around and give you kind of the tour of what we got completed. what we did here is put a nice big landing at the end of the walkway right before we go onto the patio. And here's the patio, fire pit there. And we have our limestone boulders that serves as a seat wall. You can sit on those. Little kids like to play on them. They were actually playing on when I was working on that a few minutes ago. And we're ready for fire now. So that was the project. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following along. If you liked what you see, please subscribe, please like, and stay tuned for more projects like this. Thank you.